Welcome back, first graders. Did you grab your green math book? Yep, grab that green math book. And we have been working so hard, so you're going to keep on turning until you find lesson 11. Now, I suggest a bookmark would be good to keep a track where we are, or a Post-it note, but you're going to page 63. That's going to be where the 11 is. And I just found it. If you're on the right page, you have found, so I said 63, a 6 and a 3, and you're looking now for number 1 with flowers. Do you see some flowers on there? And we're gonna get ready to read. I always work in marker so you guys can see better on the screen. You should always work in pencil in case you have a mistake. It is easy to erase. Don't forget, always write your name, because when we check your work, we need to know who did that fantastic work. Mrs. Jones. And then write the date. See if you could do that by yourself. Try it. If you can't, think hard or ask that friend that's with you. We're going to do number 1. And so number 1 is about Jill. I'm going to read it to you. You find the numbers. So it's so fun today. You're circling the numbers. So Jill was given a total of 5 flowers for her birthday. So I said, find that number, circle the 5. Draw more flowers in this vase to show Jill's birthday flowers. So here they are. It's 3, but we know that Jill got 5. How many flowers do we have to draw? So look at that vase. We're going to keep drawing until we get to 5. So 3, 4, I added another one. 5, I added another one. How many did we draw? How many flowers did you draw? 1, 2, good, okay. So now we're gonna take all of those numbers. It was 3, and it was 2, and it was 5. Because there were 3 there, we drew 2, that equals 5. Take them and turn that into a number sentence. What was the total? What was the big number? What was the big number? Yeah, it's 5. Okay, now we need the 2 parts. We need what they had and what we added. What did they have? Look at their flowers. 1, 2, 3. What did we add? 1, 2. Oh, 3. Oh, that is not 3, Mrs. Jones. 5 equals 3 plus 2. Take all your numbers and turn it into a number bond. That would mean take the biggest number and put it in the total. What is that? Yes, 5. What are the 2 parts? Yay, it's 3 and 2. Great job. Now we're not done. Let's go on to make cookies. This looks fun because I always like to bake cookies with my grandma. And I think in this story, this girl named Kate actually bakes cookies with her Nana, which is another word for grandma. Kate and Nana were baking cookies. Oh, I forgot to remind you, don't forget to get the numbers. They made 2, yep, circle that 2, heart cookies. And then made some squares. Okay, so remember we're making squares. They made 8 cookies. Oh, yeah, that's another number, get it? 8 cookies all together. How many square cookies did they make? Okay, draw and count. So this is the cookie tray. This is the one that goes into the oven to get warm. Oh, perfect. There's the 2 hearts. Now, they also gave you some hints down here. 2 plus, I don't know, there's my, I don't know, equals 8. So let's get up to that cookie tray. We're drawing squares, square cookies, don't forget. Square cookies to get to 8, and we're counting on from this one. So let's see, 1, 2, okay, here we go. 3, keep going. 4, keep going. 5, keep it up. 6, 7, yes. 8, we did it. Now I wonder, 2 plus what equals 8? How many square cookies? I drew my squares the best I could. I know they're not perfect. How many did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we needed 6. Okay. Take the big number and put it in your total box. So that would be 8. Take the 2 parts and put them in the part boxes, which would be 6 and 2. Great job. Okay. We are going to turn it over. And this time, yep, it is on page 64. And my book is getting a little hard to turn. You have trucks and you have fish. I'm going to pause the video to see if you can work through these by yourself, which means I'm going to check in with you in about 5 minutes. Try answering the trucks and the fishies on your own. Hey, I promised I'd come back, and while I was gone, you were supposed to find those 2 and 5. So there's 5 trucks, and it said, well, Bill had 2, so I hope you circled it. And then you thought 5 was the big number, 2 was the part, and let me see the other part, 1, 3. So it said, James brought over, that would be the 3. And, oh, yep, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Did you have success? Great, let's check the fish. I saw that it said 7 fish, and after lunch she caught some more fish. So let me see. She had a total of 9. So it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was her group before lunch, and there was her after lunch number. So I would think the after lunch number is 2. The really big number was 9. And the parts are 1, 2, 2. And, oh yeah, that one's 7. And then I take all the parts right there, put them in my number sentence, and find the total. So 2 plus 7 equals 9. Nice work. You are done with that, but if you want to challenge yourself, you could always try the homework piece. I'm not giving you homework. This is if you want to challenge, because this part over here was easy, where you say 2 plus what equals 7. And it says you would find the missing one. It says use those 5 group cards. You don't have the cards. Here's what, so I know, it's okay. You could just draw it where you said 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that would be your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want, feel free to finish that page by yourself. You did great today. I'll see you again. Have a great afternoon. Bye.